I live in the UK, so I don't know what my rates are.
Welcome to the United States of America.
I'm from here.
You kick this door again, we're gonna have a problem.
I'm from here.
On February 3, 2026, a Key West trespass arrest turned on 3 arguments the subject raised and lost. Each reflects a misconception common enough to deserve its own analysis, and together they explain why 12 warnings over 5 minutes still ended in handcuffs.
So they were asked to leave about 9:30 and came back, and he was the one that was originally asked to leave for being intoxicated and aggressive with other guests. And now they just keep going to every door and harassing all my security guards to get let back in.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yep.
Sorry
All
about
right.
this.
No, you're fine. Here's the deal. You cannot come back here. Do you understand?
I don't want to go in. I don't want to go in.
Okay, so leave the property.
Yeah, no. So I'm gonna. Go.
You're fucking leaving.
No,
You're leaving now.
Ryan.
Go. Haley.
No, I want to
You
make.
are leaving.
I'm ignoring
Let's
you.
go.
I would like to make a formal complaint
About what?
Haley.
about the establishment.
Right. That's not what we do. Pick up your stuff and let's go.
I can't make a formal complaint.
No, let's go.
Why?
Because they do not want you here. You keep coming
don't
back
want
and
us
keep
here.
harassing the staff.
You're leaving.
Okay, no, wait, hold on. You go away. You're pissing me off.
Right.
If we get called by you, you gotta go to jail.
Haley.
No. Everyone, shut up. I want to ask a question.
Excuse me.
I don't know what else.
First off, no, that's rude.
Haley.
You're gonna act like a child, you're gonna get treated like a child.
Going
They're
home.
telling you to go.
No, I am not in their establishment, so they.
You're under their convergence, okay?
Haley!
Oh, let's go.
Sawyer. We're going home.
Fuck off! I'm asking a
Go.
question.
We are walking away. We are going home.
I want to ask a question.
We are going home.
87, come on.
Haley.
Signal 14, this is the individual from the 34 up Bowling Whistle.
I want to talk.
I suggest you listen to him and you go home for the night.
I
My
want to.
best friend is a cop. Do you want to fucking
I don't care what you're saying. I want to talk to
away.
them. Wait.
Haley.
No. Fine.
Walk
Fuck
away.
off.
You can try it, you can take her things and you can leave.
No, fuck off. I just want to ask you a question. I will leave if you tell me to leave. That's fine. What I want to ask is, why can I not ask questions about the establishment?
You said you just wanted to file a formal complaint.
I
We don't
want
do that.
No.
Listen, I've been as nice as possible, right?
Please.
You're a trespass from here. You're a
No.
trespass from Bowling Whistle.
No.
If
No,
we
no,
get
no,
another
no.
call, listen, stop fucking interrupting me.
I'm not
all right?
interrupting you.
Yes, you are.
Go on.
If we get called about you one more time, I will take you to jail
Okay,
for public
yeah.
nuisance.
I-
Do you understand?
I
Stop
understand.
trying to yell. Do what you gotta do. Go home.
Can I talk? Can I talk?
We're done talking.
No.
We're done talking.
We
Go
are done.
home.
You gotta go home.
No, I'm allowed
We're
to.
going home.
If I get a call by you again for any reason,
Haley
I'll
Sawyer.
take you to jail.
Fucking go.
No.
All your phone.
Ryan,
Going
oh,
home.
he's making it so much worse.
No, actually you are, so let's go. Go with him and go home.
I want to know.
Florida Statute 810.09 covers trespass on property other than a structure, including sidewalks, parking lots, patios, and any outdoor area within the property owner's control. The argument that standing outside the front door defeats a trespass is the most common version of this mistake. Property, not the building, defines the boundary. When the subject stepped into the roadway claiming public ground, she did not escape the trespass. She created a new offense. Obstructing traffic is independently chargeable, and the officer identified it on the spot. A legal argument that produces a second violation instead of avoiding the first defeats itself. The First Amendment protects the right to petition the government. Lloyd Corporation versus Tanner established that it does not confer a right to remain on private property against the owner's wishes. A formal complaint may be filed at the station, by phone, or online. It may not be filed from a property the subject has been told to leave. United States criminal law applies to every person on United States soil regardless of nationality, residence, or familiarity with the system. A claim of foreign residence changes nothing about the applicable law, the officer's authority, or the subject's obligations. Miranda versus Arizona attaches only to custodial interrogation. No interrogation occurred on this recording. The subject's demand to be told her rights conflates custody with interrogation. An officer who arrests without reading Miranda has not violated the Fifth Amendment unless he then asks questions designed to elicit incriminating responses.
I was inside the establishment and I was fine.
They can change their mind. I told you earlier. If they don't want you there, you have to
I
leave.
don't want to go inside the establishment.
That doesn't matter. You can't stay here.
I know.
You can't harass
I don't
the
want to
staff.
go inside the establishment.
And I'm telling you, you can't stay here.
I'm
You
not.
I've been patient. Do not yell over me.
You haven't.
I have
You
actually.
haven't listened to what I'm actually trying to say. I'm trying to backtrack to understand the reasoning behind the original dispute.
And
So can I go back to negotiate the understanding so that this doesn't happen again?
No, they don't
So
want
you're
you here.
telling me the reasoning behind the understanding of the reasoning that I can't go back in the establishment cannot be understood. So
No.
I cannot understand why I cannot do this again.
I have told you
That's
already.
not good policing.
I have told
I
you
need
already.
to know the policing reason as to why I
Okay, if they have the right to say they don't
I
want you
understand
here
that.
anymore.
And
That's
that
it.
leaves
That's
me
it. That's it.
on public ground.
That's it.
That leaves me on public ground.
Okay.
So I can stand here and
Then you're in the roadway.
yeah, that's fine.
No, it's not, because now you're obstructing traffic. Let's go.
What traffic?
Haley Sawyer!
Ryan, fuck off!
Shut the fuck up!
Oh, he's pissing me off. Look, if you want to arrest me, that's absolutely fine, and I won't resist. Really, genuinely want to understand as to why. I want to know the reasoning.
Here's
All
what's
I want-
going on. You're really drunk and you're not making any sense.
I am making sense.
I've already explained this to you. They don't want you here because you're really drunk and you're acting like an asshole to everyone.
Give me your phone. Call your mom.
Ryan, no.
My phone is dead. Give me your phone.
You need to go home. You need to go home.
Haley. Your father's my uncle.
Mr. Redmond, Mr. Ashley.
Shut up. We are walking away right now. Haley. Haley.
God.
You are going to fucking jail if you don't
Get out
walk
of the
with me
road.
right now.
Get out of the road.
Haley. I'm sorry.
Your hands behind your back.
Haley. Sawyer.
No!
Haley. Haley. What happened? What happened?
Oh my God.
We're not.
Haley, Haley,
We're
stop.
around. You understand?
Haley, stop. Just, Haley, just let it go.
Back up! Back up!
Haley, just let it happen.
No.
Don't resist.
Alright. Yeah, there you go. You're not hit me. You understand?
Hey, stop playing with me.
I get arrested. Alright.
There's a cop. 87-1 in custody.
Taking her?
Yeah, I'll take her.
Alright.
Which one? I'm back there. One in custody, signal 34. Flat on your stance. This is not a game. Do you understand?
I understand. I've got nothing illegal. You can touch me any way you want.
I'm not touching you.
Not you. Anyone.
Well, actually, grab her passport from him because I need an ID for her.
Alright, you got her?
I'll go wherever you want.
Oh, you should do whatever we asked you to.
That's fine. I'll happily cooperate.
You had your chance. Here, I got you.
I don't know who handcuffed those is.
Yeah, they're gonna get disinfected anyway. It's fine.
There you go.
Ryan! Just keep holding my stuff. It's fine. It's fine.
Let's go.
Okay. Why? Oh my god, it's fine.
No, it's not fine because guess what? Now you're going to jail.
That's fine. I have no reason.
Not right now. I'm not in the mood.
I have no reason to be going here, and that's why I don't mind.
Watch your head.
Well, it's late for that, isn't it?
Don't care.
Can you move my hair off my list, please?
No.
Why?
Huh? No, you're good. Can you turn on my inner for me? What do you want?
Pardon? Oh, I just trying to talk to my cousin.
Nah, that's not how this goes.
So, wait, I have a question then. Genuine question.
What?
What are my rights?
Huh?
What are my rights? I haven't been told my rights.
You're detained right now.
No, but
They haven't been told. What are you talking about?
I haven't been told my rights.
You have the rights of every U.S. citizen. What are you talking about?
Yeah, I don't know that. I live in the UK, so I don't know what my rights
Okay.
are. Thank you.
So your rights as far as what? Right now you're being arrested for trespassing and disorderly conduct.
Okay, cool.
You're asked to leave multiple times. So your rights right now are to go to jail and bond out in the morning when you see a judge.
So I can't talk to anyone.
Nope.
Okay.
Okay, you're going to go to jail because you've been asked to leave already multiple times.
Okay, cool.
This is the second place you've been trespassed from tonight. You're already trespassed from the Bull and Whistle earlier tonight. Okay.
Yeah, because I kind of found my bag. That's
Okay.
not a good reason.
No, it's not. When you're asked to leave, you leave. Okay. So now you're going to go to jail. You'll
Okay.
get booked in. You'll see a judge in the morning. They'll set your bond, and you'll be able to get out from there.
A judge
Yep. A judge, like a magistrate.
in the morning.
Yep.
So I have
You're
to
going to sit in
sleep.
jail all night.
Okay.
You'll see a judge in the morning.
Can I get my jacket when I'm in
Where's
prison?
your jacket?
I don't know. Something
No,
like that.
they'll probably give you a sweater or something.
Okay, cool.
Okay?
As long as I'm warm.
So just hang tight.
Cool.
What?
Can I ask my cousin for the password to her phone
Nope.
so I can call her mom?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
All right. This isn't open, right? This is that was here. You good?
Yeah.
Need anything?
No. Where are you going?
Oh no, bro. I'm out in the streets though.
All right.
Don't fuck with me.
Okay, I'll just give it to him then. It's legal. So.
No. No, that one's not open either.
Okay. Where'd that dude go? All right. We can't. You still can't take it to jail.
Okay? You're under arrest. If you want to keep showing your ass, I can show my ass. And what that means is I'm going to put you in leg shackles to where you can't relax and just sit back here. Or you can sit back here like an adult and act like an adult, and then I'll treat you like an adult. But if you want to act like a child, I can treat you like a child. I don't care where you're from. Okay? So keep your feet off of my ceiling, off of my windows, quit kicking my door, quit hollering. You can sit here, you'll go to jail, and you'll be done with this. If you want to act out, then I can act out, and I'm going to put you in leg shackles, and it's going to be uncomfortable for you. Understood?
I just need her number out of there.
Is that understood?
I understand.
Okay.
I think
Here's the deal. Your cousin wants the password to your phone. Are you willing to give that to him so he can contact your mom?
oh, am I allowed to talk now?
I just asked you a question. So
Well,
yeah.
you can call that from the jail. How about that?
Yeah, we'll fuck it
Yeah,
at this
we'll
point.
call it from you. Call it from the jail.
Can you just tell my cousin not to
I
worry?
can't tell your cousin nothing.
Well, he's worrying, and I want him not to worry.
Ain't got nothing to do with me. We was worried about everybody else, and you weren't listening. Welcome to the United States of America.
I'm from here.
You kick this door again, we're gonna have a problem.
I'm from here.
The leg shackle warning is evaluated under Graham versus Connor. It names the specific behavior, the specific consequence, and the specific alternative. That structure, conduct, consequence, choice, is the standard against which proportionate force communication is measured, and it is met here precisely. Warrantless arrest for misdemeanors committed in the officer's presence is authorized under Florida Statute 901.15. Both trespass and disorderly conduct occurred on camera. The extended warning period was not constitutionally required but forecloses any argument that the arrest was sudden, retaliatory, or without notice. The officer earns a B+ for 12 documented warnings, 2 trespass locations identified on camera, a declined unnecessary search, and a model leg shackle warning, offset by a child comparison and editorial sarcasm. The subject earns a D. The companion earns a B for sustained de-escalation that failed through no fault of his own. 3 lessons. Property defines the trespass boundary, not the building's walls, and stepping into the roadway creates a new violation rather than an escape. A right to petition the government does not include a right to remain on private property. And 12 warnings is not patience the Constitution requires, but patience that eliminates any defense of surprise. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Law, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.